The internet is going wild for this retro recipe, and after one bite, you'll understand exactly why it's breaking the algorithms. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make Grandma's vintage strawberry fluff. I remember being a kid and devouring so much of this dessert. It's just so light and airy. Now, to make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. Okay, so the first step in making our strawberry fluff salad is to get the strawberry components going. So here I have a package of strawberry gelatin. Make sure you throw the whole envelope and everything in there. You could use sugar-free if you wanted to. It's entirely up to you. Now to this, I'm going to add some hot water and some cold water. We're gonna make that gelatin do its thing. And we're gonna whisk it up just until everything's dissolved. I love the punch of aroma you get when you add the hot water to gelatin mixtures. So good. Okay, this is good. This is an easy recipe, but there is a little bit of time here. We gotta pop this into the fridge for about 20 minutes to kind of let this gelatin settle up a little bit. Okay, so our gelatin has chilled. It doesn't seem any different. It's still pretty loose, that's okay. If you run your whisk through, you can feel a little bit of resistance, but not much. But this is what we're looking for. So to this, we're going to add a box of vanilla pudding. Right in there. We're gonna whisk that up. And we just wanna get rid of any lumps. Now you can really feel it thickening up. Okay, yeah, you can definitely feel it thickening up as you get the pudding fully dissolved. We're gonna pop this back into the refrigerator for about another 15-20 minutes. Let it do its thing, and then we'll come back and finish this bad boy up. Okay, so our gelatin mixture has chilled. It's pretty solid here, it's not moving. So we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So now we're gonna add the fluffy part, and that is some whipped topping. The entire container goes in. And I've made this with the light versions, with the sugar-free versions. It all works, so feel free to play around with that. And then I'm just going to fold it in nicely with that strawberry gelatin and pudding mixture. We don't want to lose the air from the whipped topping, but we want to make sure it's fully mixed in and that there's no streaks. And it just turns this beautiful blush pink color. I love it. Okay, this is looking good. I am gonna have to keep stirring, so I'm not gonna do it too much here. Next up, I'm gonna put this aside and bring in my cutting board because we're going to add some fresh strawberries to this. So I've cut up most of them, but the way I'm doing it is I'm just slicing them long ways, and then I go right through the top of it. You can cut them however you'd like though. It's not gonna change the taste. As big or as small, whatever floats your boat. If strawberries float your boat. And then in they go. Okay, so to our strawberries, we're going to add a can of crushed pineapple, and I've drained it really, really well to get all that extra juice out of there. And then last, but certainly not least, we are going to add an entire package of mini marshmallows. It looks like a lot, doesn't it? Once they get mixed in there though, it'll be good. And then fold, fold, fold. You need a nice big bowl for this one. Oh, God, I feel like a kid. It just smells like childhood. Now, when we're all done mixing this up, we are going to pop this back in the refrigerator. We're gonna let it all, jumper. We're gonna let it all come together. And then we are diving in. Okay, this is looking good. We're gonna let it hang out for just a little bit in the refrigerator, let all those flavors come together, and then we are going in for a taste. This recipe was so incredibly easy to make and everyone loves it. Now it's like I'm being transported back to my childhood, so I am going in. I can remember, I don't even need to taste it to know it's like being a kid. Oh, it's creamy, it's strawberry-y. I get that little bit of pineapple and those squishy marshmallows. This strawberry fluff is definitely a keeper. Make sure you share this video with someone who loves great food, and don't forget to grab that full printable recipe in the video description. Thanks for cooking with me today. I'll see you in the next video. There are so many great fluff recipes out there. I have a tropical pineapple fluff recipe that's sure to be a hit at your next party. You don't want to miss it. You can check it out here. I'll see you over there.